Hi, Tom. Thank you so much for letting me shoot this screencast for you. Um, it's just powerful. Your ministry. Honestly, I didn't know exactly what you were promoting with the word Amber Rose. I couldn't understand. I thought maybe you, Tom, were promoting some woman named Amber Rose and her ministry. But once I went through your website, I realized that that's just the name of your ministry. And so it and it's very powerful. This is so powerful, but there's certain things that you definitely want to implement so that you can be found for what you are offering here. And so, what I'm going to talk about is the three different aspects that are involved in search engine optimization. And this is basically what helps your website be found in Google. It helps rank you to the top. And so, it's kind of a race. And um, basically, it's three different things, and it has to do with first of all, your content. And so on your front page here, you would want to have specific things implemented so that Google will recognize you when certain keywords are being searched. And one of those things is you would want to have about 1,500 words on this front page, and this will give place to those specific keywords that people may be searching for when they're looking for your products. So that's definitely something that can be implemented. And then, you definitely want to have a title tag up here that has to do with what exactly you do, which would be, you know, scriptures to music, healing scriptures to music, or something like that. Something definitely very specific to what you're doing. You want it to be a keyword so that it can be found. And this right here, your domain, you can go into the back, into the builder, and change this out to be specific keywords as well. But right now, you are promoting Amber Rose. And so when Google searches, for healing scriptures to music, they're not going to necessarily pull up Amber Rose because it doesn't have anything to do with healing scriptures to music within that title. So you definitely want to implement the keyword of what you want to be found for within your title tag. And so that's a few things in regards to on-site optimization, but off-site optimization, what I did is I took your website into a tool we use called Ahrefs. And so this shows how you're ranking within Google. And this is the strength of your domain, the power, and then this is the popularity among Google. This is how many backlinks you have, how many places your website is cited or listed in an online directory, and then this is how many keywords you are ranking for. So these represent the different websites that you are linked to. Could be a blog, a church website, it could be a magazine. Um, and that just said that your page was unresponsive. There might be something to do with this picture right here. It might be a little too large and it's causing your page to load slowly, but that's easily fixable. And so I wanted to see what you're ranking for in regards to keywords. Okay. Of course, you're going to be ranking in the #1 position for your title, but this is good. See right here, these keywords, the Healing Bible and CD. Healing Bible. You mostly have your name, the name of your ministry. Healing Scriptures on CD. This is definitely, you would want to optimize those keywords within your page, on the front page. Okay, so basically what I did is I Googled, let's see, what did I Google? I Googled what I thought somebody might Google and search for your product, Healing Scriptures to Music. And so, of course, you're going to see a lot of YouTube videos. By the way, like, putting your stuff on YouTube would be a source of a backlink. It would be considered a backlink. And so, you see Pinterest here and Spotify, but this is the organic search results. And so I wanted to take this one because it looked like the first legitimate website. And so I basically I put them in our tool also here, and you can see just how they're ranking and how many backlinks, how many citations and keywords. So they have over 5,000 other websites that they are connected to. They're listed in 196 different directories, and they're ranking for 233 keywords. And so let's just take a look at those keywords real quick to give you an idea. Soaking, healing with scriptures and soaking, healing scriptures to music, soaking music artists, healing scriptures, prophetic soaking. See, these are the type of keywords, healing scriptures, soaking, that you would want to implement on your front page instead of, instead of like AmberRose, which is a beautiful name, and I'm sure that you have like a meaning and God spoke to you about it, but you definitely want to add this content. You want to add the necessary content to implement keywords such as this so that you can be found when Google is crawling websites after people search to, you know, when they're searching healing scriptures with soaking music. You want to be found for that. So these are just some keywords to be implemented. And yeah, that's just an overview, quick overview of what it takes to optimize your site. And yeah, you got to get your ministry out there. I was kind of a little confused because I couldn't find exactly what you did or what you were at all until until I went here to the store, and then I watched this powerful, powerful video right here. So that's what did it for me. I was like, wow, everyone needs to hear this and see this, but you have to optimize your site to get it out there. Thank you so much, Tom, for letting me do this video for you. And if you wanted to learn a little bit more or see if there's any way that I can help you, just reach out. Thank you.